Have you ever wondered how you can make your spiritual journey into $1,000 or pounds, whichever currency you're watching this from? I still remember the moment that I earned my first $1,000 from my spiritual content. It literally changed my life. Do you want to know the secret to making money as a spiritual or intuitive content creator? Are you ready to transform your passions into real money? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I have done this and how you can do it too. So I've literally created over 200 videos myself, and I've learned what it takes to turn views into dollars. And it's literally my journey from struggling to make zero or any money to earning my first $1,000 online that has taught me some really, really valuable lessons and insights that I'm super excited to share with you today. So stay tuned. So my first tip is finding your power, your unique power in the spiritual content world. This is crucial. When I first started, I was trying to do so many different topics. Even though I started with astrology, it wasn't until I focused on my true power that I started to see real engagement pick up. I remember the first time that I saw a video of mine actually go viral, and it was all about guiding people with my natural, unique guidance from my soul through the use of tarot and oracle readings. Actually, you might be thinking, okay, but how do you know what your unique power is? And I just found my own powers through experimenting with, number one, what set my soul on fire, and number two, learning my human design chart, my astrology chart, and my numerology chart. I'll drop the links below that you can go and check out for yourself, and obviously if you've got any questions, then drop me a comment below. And then I brought those two together to create my content creation spaces. So the key is literally to find out what you're genuinely passionate about and what resonates with your soul and your soul audience. This is what will create a loyal following. You trust your experience. So dive into your human design, astrology, and numerology charts. Drop me a comment below once you figure out what is your moon sign. If you already know it, then let me know what is your human design type and your moon sign in the comments right now. Drop it right now. I love this stuff. I will literally provide you with some deeper insights and reply back. For those of you who are fascinated by this stuff, drop it. Next, consistency is king. I used to post all over the place sporadically and my growth was slow in the beginning, but once I committed to actually posting every single day consistently, that's when I noticed a steady increase in my views and in my follows. And now the same thing for my beautiful subscribers here on my YouTube channel as I'm growing it. And it works like magic because your audience tends to know then when to expect your content, and they look forward to it if they are those diehard fans who absolutely love what you're putting out there. If you are providing value, if you're helping them in some way, shape or form, and they know that you have a set schedule, they are more likely to know when to come back, when to expect your video content. Had I given up because not enough followers were coming through on my Instagram or my TikTok, and I was listening to my ego, then I would have never grown to over 10,000, and I would never be attempting YouTube like I am today. Nor would I have known that you can make money so easily online. So set a consistent posting schedule, stick to it. Obviously use your intuitive muscles, use your feminine cycle. If you're watching this and you haven't already, then check out my feminine cycle video up here. If you're a feminine watching this, and masculines, again, you will find wisdom in this video up here on how to plan your content. Your audience will appreciate your regular content. You'll see better engagement and growth. And lastly, monetizing your content effectively can skyrocket your earnings and your capacity to earn money. So at first, I was just relying on my one-to-one tarot readings as a paid service where I had to physically be present to earn that money, which wasn't a lot when I first started out because I had such a small following of around less than 200 souls. And then I started offering manifestation courses and programs, and anything that I had overcome, I started building into a course to help somebody else with the same problems. And that response back was incredible. People were willing to pay for deeper, more authentic, personalized, lived experiences that they could resonate with and learn from and apply it to their own lives. And so diversifying your income streams can be the best thing for you beyond service-based revenue. So service-based revenue is where you physically have to be present to earn your money. It's no different to a job, but except you're working for yourself if you're self-employed, right? And so consider offering pre-recorded courses, services, or exclusive content that doesn't require your physical time. This is key, and it not only boosts your earnings, but also provides more value to your audience because you're reaching them on a wider level, and you're able to give yourself to a lot more people. I recommend using Stan Store, or if you're thinking about where do I start my business, how can I upload my stuff? Standstore is one of the cheapest platforms that you can use, and I've literally used Kajabi, Teachable, all of the Udemy, you name it. Like, I have been there and tried it. There's nothing like Standstore for creators specifically. I'll drop the links below, and you can go on there, check it out. You can create your courses and sell it for a really low minimal fee. I think they've got two options. So they've got the $29 and then they've got the $99. I'm still using just the $29 version because it does everything that I need it to. You can literally put your landing pages, sales pages, courses, memberships, and they've all got the templates ready. So there's like barely any work for you to do on that side of things. So that is it. This is literally the basics of how to make your first $1,000 as a spiritual content creator, thinking outside of the box from just services and putting all of those services into a course. If you found this video helpful, but you want to dive a little bit more deeper into some ideas that you can take and then start actually creating your content, and go and check out this video here of my top 10 spiritual entrepreneur ideas to turn your passion into a profit. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips as a spiritual content creator and just spirituality in general. Mwah.